Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. Guys, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Guys, but if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Global, TikTok Kirasecret Global, Facebook Kirasecret Skincare, please. And also on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistic. We ship worldwide. We are the #1, the champion. DHL 3 to 5 working days at your doorstep. Cargo also. You will love our service. We base here in Lagos, okay? Whether you're buying product from Mommy Kira, whether you're not buying from us, let's ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. I love you guys so much. Yes, today I'll be producing this 5 kg. This is a 5 kg, okay? But a client requested for 2 kg. You understand me? To Texas, USA. She said, Mommy Kira, please, I want 3 days whitening face cream that will whiten my client's face, also clear dark spots. Dark spots, you understand me? Blemishes, discoloration, you understand me? And it will give them super whitening. You understand? I said, that one no be problem. This client have been buying from us since 3 years now. She has been buying this face cream. This time she bought 2 kg. She said, let me produce 2 kg. But this in total is 5. You know, if I produce for my client, then I sell the rest on my website. You understand? If you've not bought any product from Mommy Kira, please, if you've not bought any product from me before, please go to my website and get this Snow White 3 days whitening face cream. This face cream, it dey work, it dey show, it dey play. Now, Osha Pro, it's super effective. You understand? It whiten the face. If your face no white, come collect your money back. See, if you've bought different type of face cream in the market and you don't see any results, you understand me, try this our Snow White face cream. You can see, as I finish producing for her, I have to remove this for myself. You understand me? I have to put in this my own container for my own self, because anytime I produce this Snow White is what I use. This Snow White is what I use on my face, and I love it. You understand? This Snow White to whiten your face, clear anything, discoloration. You understand me? I just want to show you guys how I made it. You understand me? For her. And if you want wholesale deal, please, if you want anything, any skincare production, just call Mommy Kira. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Tell me what you want. I will produce for you. You understand? Whether you want caramel product, whether you want lightening, or you want Osha whitening, anything your customer wants, let me know and I'll produce for you. Super safe, no discoloration at all. My products are very, very effective and safe on the skin. You understand me? Let me know what you want, okay? And chat me up. I'll produce for you. You understand me? Mommy Kira is the #1, the champion. Please go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get all your skincare products. You understand me? My own product is there. Our product is there. Our Snow White, our Instant White, our 𝐓𝐾, our porcelain, our Arabian Fairness whitening set, our caramel set. All these are on the website. Go to the website and get yours. Any product you want, they are of different sizes. Okay, if you don't know how to shop on the website, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I will send you a short video on how you can shop on the website very well. The website is very fast now. Very, very fast. I love you guys so much. You guys know I'm the #1, the champion. Please hurry up and go to the website and get your own Snow White 3 days whitening face cream. It has different sizes: 30 gram, 80 gram, 250 ml size. We'll have the 500 ml size. We also have the 1 kg. 1 kg is for people that are reselling. Okay, I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.